Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to copy someone's portfolio using eToro. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Next, click on the search icon on the left and here select CopyTrader. Okay, now on this page you will find several investors to choose from, so do your research before deciding who you will copy. For demonstrating purposes, I will choose Luca, who focuses on ETFs. I'll visit their profile and look around like I'm checking their statistics. Here we go. Go back to overview and very importantly see their full bio because there can be useful information or how much I should invest or how long I would like to copy this investor. So okay, I like his strategy, so I click on copy and decide the amount of money I would like to copy with. Alright, and as for the stop loss price, you can always adjust it later, so I will not adjust it now. Only I will click on invest and very soon their portfolio will be copied by me. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decision. Happy trading and may the bull market be with you.